Hi everyone, Two-Stent here. Tonight we're going to have a box opening on the Craftsman variable speed scroll saw. The reason that I went out and bought this was that I'm going to attempt the Cobra mod that Lazyman at West Coast Mods did on his Antec 1200 Storm Shadow build. So tonight let's get at the box opening. So we have the owner's manual, and right here we have a couple of scroll saws that are included, along with the tool to unlock the clamps that the saws go in. Also have an adapter for your shop vacs to clear off the filings. Sawdust. And I'll try to tip the box so that you can see how it comes packaged. The table is at a 45-degree angle. That's the way it's packed. Well, I'm back. I took it out of the box, and as you can see, the table is at a 45-degree angle. It comes equipped with 4 blades, and one blade is already attached, and you can see that right there. Good tension. The blower for the dust is also attached, as you can see right here. Oh no, it's not. That's my mistake. Sorry about that. This goes over here and should be attached here. And I've never had a scroll saw before, and probably before I'm through tonight I'll call it a skill saw, because that seems to be what I want to call it. This is your speed control. You can see from slow to high, and your on-off switch right there, and of course your adjustment to bring the table to the horizontal position, and that's where your shop vac attachment would connect. And it comes with, I assume this is a, yeah, that's a pen in blade, and it comes with 2 pinless blades. This is the tension adjustment on the blade, and this is the attachment that comes with it. That's to unlock and lock the blade. That's the one of the drawbacks of this being a cheap item, relatively speaking. And this adjustment goes right in there. So give me a minute and I'll connect this up, and maybe we'll run a piece of wood through. Alright, be back in a minute. Well, okay, I did get a 3/4 inch piece of wood scrap, and we'll see how it cuts. I already did cut out a chunk, and it looks alright. There's quite a bit of vibration, which is what you're going to get with a cheap machine. So there you go. I mean, it's not a DeWalt, but that's about $500 more than this machine. This is enough to get you started as an entry-level machine. The table could be larger. There is some vibration, but again, I didn't tighten anything down. This is the way it came, and the blade was installed. I haven't tightened the blade at all on the tension, and so I've got some reading to do to make some adjustments, and I'm hoping I can go forward with this. If I decide that I like working with this, then it might be time to get something more expensive, because this really is just an entry-level machine, just enough to get me going on a few mods, and I've never used a scroll saw before, and this was on sale at Sears for I think I paid $107 for it, so it's a cheap entry level machine, but I think it'll satisfy your needs. I wouldn't go anything thicker than 3/4 of an inch, which is what this is. And so that's it for tonight, and keep on modding.